Hey everybody, Crazy Canuck coming at you from Saskatchewan, Canada. I went on a bit of a holiday. I was gone for a week, but now I'm back. I went down to Missouri to kind of drive around, check things out, meet some people. Went to Baker Creek. What an awesome trip that was. Even in the off season, it was really great. So I checked things out there. One really cool thing they have a restaurant, but they don't have a menu. They cook up different dishes at lunchtime, and if you want, you can go over and have lunch. And it's a what do they call that, a donation-based program where you just drop whatever you want in a box on the way out. It's really awesome. Really great people. So I got my catalog and I got some seeds. I got these winged beans that I wanted to get for a few years already. I got some of these little fingers eggplants, so we'll see how they do. I got some yarrow. I'm pretty sure it grows here anyway, but I just in case that we don't have it. King Tut purple peas. That should be an interesting one to grow. A Hungarian heart tomato, kind of like the one I had growing last year, but we'll add this to the collection. Got a couple buckwheat, a rose red, and a cane ruby. You got little burgundy flowers. The one that I grow are white. And of course, every time you buy seed from them, they throw in some freebies, and they threw in some Amarillo carrots. So we'll see how these grow. Add them to my vast collection. So I got a bunch of little videos that I'm going to put together for you guys. And I've been receiving a few emails asking about Patreon and why I don't have it, and I just thought I'd answer that on here. I started this channel to get the information out that I feel is important with the coming grand solar minimum, and helping people to start thinking about sustainability and survival and thriving no matter what comes. Really didn't intend for it to be an income source, so I just put on the Amazon links, which if people want to buy what they would buy anyway through Amazon, they can go through my links, and Amazon will give me a little bit of a bonus for that. But I have had a couple requests for Patreon, so I will look into it, and we'll see how that goes. But enjoy the videos, and as usual, hit the old like button if you like them, and subscribe if you haven't. Spread the word. And don't forget to check out the show more, because I'll probably have some links in there for you. Till the next video, which should be in a short order now that I'm back, we'll talk to you soon. And we're just heading into Baker Creek. Some nice scenery.
Yeah, I did everything.
Some of the grow beds at Baker Creek. Under some serious LEDs. An amazing setup. Oh, some really nice peppers.
Production mainly, except for the trial bed there.
These are nice trials.
An extra dwarf bok choy. It's bolting.
Nice.
Scenting flowers. That's how big.
the seed store. Amazing place. Well, this was an awesome day at the Baker Creek. Just amazing. I can imagine what this place would be like in the summer when everything is growing. So that's it for this place, and I'm gonna head back on the road. This is just some scenery on the way out. I can't imagine how nice this would be in the summer with all the leaves, everything being so green. Nice little house up on the hill. That'd be a nice place to live. And yeah, love it.